In this episode of Working with Productivity, I have the one and only David Allen. Hello and welcome to a very special episode of Working with Productivity, because in this episode I have David Allen, and this is his answer to my question in my recent podcast interview with David on how to get control of your email. And I know this is a huge problem for so many people, and it's something that I know that I would just love to be able to help you all. And I thought, well, this is probably the best way to do it, and that's get the man himself, the GTD guy himself, to give you the answer on how to get control of your email. But I should warn you right now, you need to get very brave if you finally want to get control of all that email coming in. So without further ado, let me take you into my interview with David Allen and how to manage your email. But a lot of people really are struggling with email. And is there any principles that they can follow that could maybe give them a light bulb moment in managing all that email that's coming in?
Well, there's a fast way to get control of it. It may not be the most effective way permanently to do it, but I've coached many people, thousands of hours, one-on-one down at their desk with that. One way, first of all, delete everything you need to delete. I mean, a whole lot of people just keeping crap in their bin baskets.
Yeah.
It's like, come on. There's a key on your computer, at least in English, that has a DEL on it. Come and use it. Dump it. Get out of there. Secondly, get rid of your allergy to filing. A lot of people just want to keep stuff in their in tray in email as reference. Come on, stop. Create a file on the Navigator bar. For person, topic, something or other. I've got hundreds of files, and I don't even nest them because it's a pain in the butt to open a nest. Yeah. So mine is just one simple alpha sort by person, by topic, by theme, whatever. And if I just need to keep it, then I just drag it over and either make a folder, drag it into a folder that's obvious. So if you delete everything you need to delete, then file everything you need to file there's no action on you just want to keep, that's going to reduce email a ton. And then then use the 2-minute rule. Any email that you can respond to or deal with in less than 2 minutes, as 2-minute rule is magic. Save you a ton of time. So deal with that. So if you delete, file, and handle the 2-minute stuff, the only two things that are left are emails you're waiting for something to come back to you, or it's an email that's going to take you longer than 2 minutes to deal with in terms of what you need to do. So you can create 2 folders real quick, in your Navigator folder system, and use some sort of a prefix so it doesn't look like just a reference folder, and throw it to the top of your sort. So if you're in Outlook, for instance, using the @ sign, it's pretty common. So if you make an @ action and an @ waiting for folder, you can take all the bigger honker emails and drag them into the action folder, and take the emails that are representing something you're waiting on to come back from somebody into a waiting for folder.
Yeah.
Guess what's left in your email? 0. Right. Yeah. Now you're at inbox 0. Here's the biggest problem is most people get so excited that they've never seen that before. They get so excited, they just go party hardy and never open the action folder. And that,
of course.
So you have to have enough discipline and enough focus, to be able to make that system work. And then all those emails that are sitting in your action folder need to be reviewed, just like all the other actions that you might need to do that you can't finish in the moment, as your inventory, of actionable things to do in and around your meetings and calendar stuff.
I mean, I stole an idea from Winston Churchill. I never knew him. He died before I was born, actually. But Winston Churchill had this rubber stamp which had "Action this day" on it. It was a big red rubber stamp.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, any document he wanted action on, he would stamp it with this big red stamp as "Action this day." And I actually use that in my email now. That's my action folder, "Action this day." The reason I use it this day is because it adds that little bit of urgency, and I try to respond within 24 hours.
One thing I've always noticed when communicating with you is you do apply the 24-hour rule.
Yeah.
It's always within
I hate backlog. Backlog,
Yeah.
just I'm allergic to backlog because the smaller your backlog, the easier it is to deal with new input.
Yeah.
If you got the larger your backlog of uncaptured, unclarified, unorganized stuff, the more any new input's a pain in the butt.
It is.
Even if it's good stuff.
Yeah, and one of the things I've heard you say many times actually is like something big is coming. It could be good, bad, indifferent, but it's coming, and you need to be ready for that. And I think I saw a presentation where you actually had an image of a tiger or jaguar or something sitting on a rock, and you could see in the eyes it was ready. It was relaxed, but it was ready for anything.
Focus, 360-degree sensitivity.
Absolutely. And I thought,
Thank you for watching this video. Now, if you want to take your productivity to a higher level, then get yourself enrolled in my 2019 edition of Your Digital Life 2.0 online. It is a complete, comprehensive productivity and time management course, and it's a course that will take you to levels of productivity you have only ever dreamt of before. It shows you how to build your very own COD system, collect, organize and do. It shows you how to create the folder structure, how to build into your goals, into your daily to-do list. It has everything. And not only that, you will get a free copy of Your Digital Life 2.0, the book. You also get a free workbook, and you get access to all the slides that are used in the course. It is incredible value. I want to see you in that course. If you are serious about becoming productivity, then please join me in Your Digital Life 2.0, the 2019 edition. Thank you very much for watching this video.